Athletes, welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while since I sat down to film a video. Obviously you've seen all the pregnancy related videos. Well, the baby is here. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I posted a picture that the baby is here, but I will do a separate video about that, introducing the baby here on the channel, just like how I did with my son. So I just wanted to put it out there so that you guys know that the baby is here. Anyways, I hope you all are doing well. Let me know in the comment section below. This video is going to be about how I transformed my hair from thin to thick instantly with clip-ins. I got this clip-ins from a company called CurlsCurls. Thank you very much, CurlsCurls, for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to show you how I transfer my hair from thin to thick in the next clip, and obviously I'll talk more about the hair also in the next clip. So stay tuned. Bye bye. So I got this hair from CurlsCurls. They are a factory store that provide high quality hair in really affordable prices because they sell directly to customers without distributors. So obviously it is more cheaper. So this is the hair that I got. It comes with an instructions of how you can best wash the hair. And it also comes with extra combs. So I got the thick bundle, which is really enough for a full head of hair. They also have a different bundle, which is not the thick version. I'm not sure if that is enough for a full head of hair, but this one is really enough. This hair is really nice and soft, and it feels really natural. I'm surprised how natural it feels. I'm really excited to try this out and see how it works on my hair and how it blends in and all those things. But first, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. So I decided to only wash it with conditioner and no shampoo. I think if I put on products and everything, then I will wash it next time with shampoo. So I went ahead and used conditioner to wash it. I make sure that the hair is fully saturated with water before I went ahead and add my conditioner to it. It's really nice and soft. And as you can see, I am washing it downwards because I want to avoid tangle. And I have to be honest, this hair did not tangle on me at all. You can see the texture right here with the conditioner in it. It's really nice, and you can see the texture really well. So after that, I went ahead and hung it outside. It was really sunny day, so I hung it outside for it to dry. And afterwards, I went ahead and put in some twist in it. For the twist, I use my contour shea butter leave-in conditioner, and I use water. That's all the things that I use. Oh, and I added also a bit of oil to it, so you can see that it's really shining and nice. Yeah, and I went ahead and twist my own hair as well. So this is how I am going to install the clip-in my hair. I went ahead and twist my hair, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail below, and then I'll put the clip in on top of it. So the installation was really easy, and it really speaks for itself. You have to feel and see where you can put what hair at what time. So yeah, that is basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and install the clips in, and I'll come back and let you see how it looks on my hair, and I'll let you see how I blend it in also. For this hair, I also have a discount code. I will put all the links and discount codes in the description box.
Other gimmick beze, dance to the song, let me see your body keke. I go do like I'm blind. Anything you do, I go see na my tete. You know me say I dey fear. Girl, I wanna come to your day. Other me say pull up. Wait a minute, let me know what you're up to.
I really found it easy to install this hair. It took me about 5 minutes to install everything, and I love how natural it looks and how my twist out came on this hair. The nice thing about it also is really effortless. Like I got this twist out really effortless. I just basically add my leave-in conditioner, a bit of water, and a bit of oil to it. So, and if you have been following me for a while, you know that I don't like hairstyles that are too complicated or too much time consuming, because I'll end up not doing it or not using it. So I am really here for things that takes less time, and it's really effective and nice and everything. So as you can see, I'm about to blend in the hair with my hair. what I noticed is my hair is slightly darker than the clip in. That's because my hair got darker because of all the Ayurvedic treatments that I've been doing to my hair, and that is mainly using amla oil. Amla oil can really help darken your hair, and I really love my hair when it's darker. So this hair is extra virgin human hair, so that means you can dye it, or you can do anything. You can trim it, cut it. You can basically treat it like your own hair. So if you want it darker, you can definitely go ahead and dye it jet black so that it blends in properly with your hair. But I really didn't mind how it looked on my hair. And you really have to look really close before you see that my hair is slightly darker than the clip in. Basically, I took the twist out and I tried to blend it in, and I also tried to tuck it under here and there, and that's basically what I did. It's really easy to blend in with my own hair. This hair is, by the way, 18-inch. They also have, I think, 20-inch, 16-inch, 10-inch also, but I took the 18-inch because I thought it's perfect for my hair. For the people who wanted to see my son, well, here he is in a few clips. I intentionally left this clip in for the people who said that they haven't seen my son in a while. But really, guys, look at this hair. It looks so soft and so supple, and you really cannot see the difference with my hair. I really love it. And I think this is going to be my protective hairstyle for the summer. So yeah, I can't wait to be rocking this hair out and everything. I was really feeling myself. And I think it's okay to add clip-ins every now and then to your hair to feel that thick texture that we all want, that thick natural hair that we all want. So I was really happy with this hair. Thank you very much for watching. And like I mentioned, I'll put all the links in the description below, and let me know what you think. And I will speak to you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Wanna wake up in Paris with you. I wanna travel the world, see beautiful things, and always have you in that view. I wanna fuck you in Paris.